Imagine walking into a bright, modern classroom where students are engaged, enthusiastic, and actively participating in an immersive learning experience. The air is filled with the sound of interactive discussions. The teacher seamlessly navigates between various digital resources, and the display is crystal clear, showcasing vibrant visuals that capture everyone's attention. This scenario is more than just a dream. It's a reality that's achievable with the latest breakthrough in interactive technology. The 65-inch interactive touchscreen monitor, smartboard with 4K display, 11 electronic whiteboard touchscreen PC for office and classroom. However, for many educators, administrators, and business professionals, this vision is hindered by outdated technology and limitations of traditional whiteboards. You're stuck with awkward writing gestures, difficulty navigating complex presentations, and limitations in collaborating with multiple stakeholders. The lack of interactivity in traditional meetings and classroom settings often leads to disengagement, decreased productivity, and missed opportunities. It's time to upgrade your workspace with a cutting-edge solution that unlocks the full potential of your team and transforms the learning environment. When you first lay eyes on the 65-inch interactive touchscreen monitor, you're struck by its sleek, modern design and robust construction. The sturdy aluminum body exudes a sense of premium quality, while the high-resolution 4K display delivers breathtaking visuals that seem to float above the surface. The intuitive touch interface is a joy to use, allowing you to zoom in and out of images, make notes, and mark up documents with ease. The lack of a stylus is both a blessing and a curse, but in this case, it's a deliberate design choice that eliminates any learning curve, making it accessible to users of all ages and skill levels. One of the most impressive features of this product is the advanced multi-touch capabilities, which enable multiple users to interact with the display simultaneously. This level of collaboration is perfect for brainstorming sessions, lectures, and even virtual meetings. What's more, the touchscreen remains responsive, even with gloves, giving you the flexibility to work in the conditions that best suit your workflow. Under the hood, the 65-inch interactive touchscreen monitor packs a powerful punch, featuring a Windows 11 Pro operating system, Intel Core i7 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and a generous 512 GB solid-state drive. This configuration is more than sufficient for even the most demanding tasks, such as video editing, data analysis, and 3D modeling. The inclusion of a multi-interface setup allows you to connect your existing peripherals, including USB drives, HDMI cables, and other accessories, ensuring seamless integration with your existing workflow. During real-world testing, we found that the 65-inch interactive touchscreen monitor was more than capable of handling complex presentations, video conferencing, and even live streaming. However, we did encounter some limitations in terms of battery life. Unfortunately, this product is a plug-and-play solution that requires constant power. Furthermore, while the 4K display is undoubtedly stunning, it does come at a cost, with some users complaining about increased glare and reflections. So, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, this product offers unparalleled interactivity, seamless collaboration, and unparalleled flexibility. The high-resolution display and robust construction set a new standard for educational and professional applications. However, as mentioned earlier, battery life is a concern, and some users might be put off by the increased cost associated with the 4K display. Compared to other competing options, the 65-inch interactive touchscreen monitor stands out for its impressive multi-touch capabilities, robust construction, and high-performance configuration. While there are cheaper alternatives available, this product's features, design, and build quality make it an investment worth considering. In conclusion, the 65-inch interactive touchscreen monitor, smartboard with 4K display, 11 electronic whiteboard touchscreen PC for office and classroom is a game-changing solution for educators, administrators, business professionals, and anyone seeking to unlock the full potential of their team. If you're ready to take your workspace to the next level, we wholeheartedly recommend this cutting-edge product. But we urge you to consider the pros and cons and carefully weigh the benefits against the costs. Upgrade your workspace today and discover a more engaging, collaborative, and productive world.